Welcome back, guys. I'm going to be replacing a garden bed that's completely rotted away, and I got this metal raised garden bed here that I'm going to be replacing it with. It's October 6th, and we're getting into the fall season, so it's nice and cool out here to do this work. So I'm going to be replacing this here. All this is completely gone now, if you can see. Not really good wood, so I'm going to be getting rid of this and putting in the metal bed in its place. So we're going to do that today. So let me take this garden bed apart right now and get started on that. I'm going to pull these plants out, pull all these out. These didn't do so well here. I guess it was, I don't know, maybe too shaded, or these are just the leftover seedlings I had that I just placed in here. These are the eggplants. I never really did much. Didn't do too well here. I guess not enough sun for them. So I'm going to just pull all these plants out. Some peppers. Like so. Pull these out. This should come apart pretty easily. I mean, it's already pretty much already gone. Try not to disturb the soil too much. So I'm going to take this out here. This wasn't some wood for a garden bed, so it lasted maybe a couple of years. Throw that over there. Pull the rest of this out. Hopefully I can fit the bed right over this. And then just fill. Just get all the wood out of here. Like that. Any wood left in there. Okay, now we're going to walk this bed right over. I've put wire mesh right here to keep the moles out of the garden. So I always put some wire mesh underneath because they will try to get underneath the bed. I've got a bad mold problem this year, a very bad mold problem. So walk it over. Easy done. And I'll fold these, I'll cut and trim these and also fold them over so that they can't get underneath it as well. It'll level itself out. All right, so not bad. Now it's a little higher than the actual bed is. So I got a bunch of soil here plus my compost. I'm going to throw in and mix in there with the soil as well. So this is ready. I've got more I'm going to put in maybe later on today. So let's do that. Let's get the soil in there. I'm using just regular vegetable gardening soil. And so hopefully I got enough to fill it in pretty good. I didn't get any manure. Decided to skip that this time around. But I will put in, I'll mix in some garden tone fertilizer. and I'll add it and mix it in with the soil. Okay, that's a miracle grow. I need more soil. So I'm going to be replacing, I got 2 more of these that I'm going to be using to replace the other 2 beds. So I'm going to be replacing them with these metal beds here. Should last a lot longer. Let's mix it in a little bit. Throw in some compost. Let's get the rest of these bags in there. Gonna be also doing another, trying to clean up the garden soon and get it ready for the winter season. I'll be doing that soon, but I thought I'd get this done before we get any rainy weather. So we've had a lot of rain through here last couple of weeks, and trying to get this done. Perfect day today to get it done. Right. Yeah, so this bed just got it at a reasonable price. Wasn't too expensive. It wasn't one of the most expensive metal raised beds. Pretty affordable. So I plan to replace all my beds with these eventually, one by one, if I see it needs to be. All right. Mix in. All right. Rest of my compost. I've got more that I'm going to be adding to this. Probably get it after the video. Probably add the rest of it in here and fill it up to the top. Thought I got to bring you guys along so you can see what I'm going to be up to, what I'm working on. So I got maybe another wheelbarrow and a half of compost that I'm going to be adding to this. So should bring it up close to the top. Should be close to the top when I'm done filling it. Watch out, Mickey. All right. Not bad so far. Got maybe another 2-3 inches of soil to put in here. It should be good. Nice and sturdy. So I'm going to get the rest of the compost. I'm going to empty it out here. Should bring it up to about maybe a little below this last little bend here. And that should be plenty of soil. And I'm going to be planting my spinach here for the fall season. So if you look around, let me give you a little tour of the garden while you're here. I just wanted to show how I was going to get this done today. So let's walk around a little bit and I'll show you what's going on. So these are all the serrano peppers, as you can see. I'm going to be picking the last of these probably. They're all into their red stage now, so I think they're going to be where they're ready to pick. So I'm going to get these done probably tomorrow. I'll start to get that picked out. Got a bunch of red peppers here that are ready as well, and more green ones on the vine on the plant as well that I'm going to try and probably harvest them tomorrow. Tomatoes are done, and my cauliflowers and cabbages are doing okay. They're a little bit pest got to them a little bit, but they're hanging in there. And my zucchinis, I'm getting ready to pull that out too. As you can see, they're all got blight and probably done for the season. Hard to see. So thank you for joining me, guys. Just wanted to show a little quick video on my my little garden replacement there, little garden bed replacement, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.